こんにちは、あすか先生です。Hi, I'm Asuka Sensei, your Japanese teacher. Today I'm talking about katakana. Yes, katakana is a bit difficult to learn, don't you think? Because they look very similar each other. So it's very confusing to memorize each letter. In fact, my intermediate level students said katakana is more difficult than kanji. Yes, I know. So today I show you very quick tip to know shi and tsu. Okay, katakana shi and katakana tsu look very similar each other. As you can see, two dots and then one line. Yes. So, but if you know this tip, you can see the difference between them very clearly, and then you will never ever make mistake. Okay? So this is katakana shi, and then this is katakana tsu. Yes? So shi works like 1, 2, and then from bottom to the top 3. Yes? So 2 dots, 2, 2, and then from bottom to top. Okay? And then katakana tsu, this one is 1, 2 dots, and then from top to bottom this way. Yes? So, but it's difficult to memorize which one is which. Yes, I know. Yes. So I show you another way to memorize them very clearly. So I hope you can see it. When you learn katakana, I assume you already know hiragana. Yes? So hiragana shi looks like this one. Yes? And then hiragana tsu looks like this one. Yeah, okay? So when you write this hiragana shi on top of katakana shi, ooh, yes. So they are in a very, very well harmonized. Yes. So katakana, hiragana shi from top to go down, and then bottom going up. Yes. So katakana shi is top dot, middle dot, and then from bottom to top, curvy line. Yes. It's very similar to hiragana shi shape. Woo! And then katakana tsu is the same. Yes, hiragana tsu is from left to right and then going down. And then katakana tsu is the same way. Left dot, middle dot, and then from top right to left bottom. Yes, so if you imagine, if you visualize hiragana shi and tsu, and then look katakana shi and tsu, you understand perfectly. Oh, this is katakana shi. Oh, this is katakana tsu, because it looks similar to hiragana shi and tsu. Yes. So hope this tip help you. Yes, I know it works. Yes. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. See you next time. さよなら。またね。